Welcome to the highlights of the 3-day skill development program on Toshkhana Formation of a Brand, organized by the institution's Innovation Council of CMP Degree College, Prayagraj, from the 17th to the 19th of July, 2025. This unique program was coordinated by Dr. Archana Pandey, convener of IIC, Dr. Himani Chaursia, co-convener of IIC, and Dr. Hemilta Pant, Innovation Ambassador, Institute Innovation Cell, CMP Degree College. Day 1, the inaugural session. The program began with a warm welcome address, setting the tone for 3 days of inspiration and learning. The keynote lecture was delivered by Mrs. Shruti Kishore Sahi, founder of Toshkhana. She shared her remarkable journey of brand creation, highlighting the role of eco-friendly initiatives, cultural heritage, and sustainability in entrepreneurship. Her talk inspired participants to think beyond business and to see innovation as a path to responsibility and growth. Day 2's exhibition and training. This day brought tradition alive. Local weavers and artisans demonstrated the intricate process of sari making, from handling raw materials to weaving techniques. Participants witnessed the artistry, dedication, and skill required in handloom craftsmanship. The exhibition showcased a stunning range of Toshkhana saris and eco-friendly products. The highlight was the enthusiastic participation of faculty members and professors who purchased saris, extending heartfelt support to local artisans and promoting sustainable entrepreneurship. Day 3, felicitation and closing. The final day began with motivational talks by Dr. Swati Deepak Dubey and other dignitaries. Their words focused on entrepreneurship, women's empowerment, and career opportunities through skill development. This was followed by the felicitation of artisans, resource persons, and participants, recognizing their invaluable contributions. The event concluded with a formal vote of thanks, marking the successful completion of this 18-hour intensive program. Throughout the 3 days, students gained deep insights into entrepreneurship, innovation, sustainable brand development, and practical skills in handloom craftsmanship. The presence of distinguished faculty members, including Dr. Kirti Raje Singh, Dr. Jyoti Verma, Dr. Nidhi Tripathi, Dr. Ashish Kumar Mishra, Dr. Manoj Jaiswal, and Dr. Ajit Kumar Singh, added to the richness of the event. This 3-day skill development program truly reflected the spirit of innovation, sustainability, and empowerment, leaving behind a strong message that tradition, when nurtured with innovation, can create brands with purpose and pride.
जैसे चंदेरी की साड़ी है, चंदेरी का सूट है, सेम में हमारे पास महेश्वरी का साड़ी है, महेश्वरी साड़ी के वैसे हम सूट भी रखते हैं। ये हमारा योगा है, ये हमारा दुपट्टा है, हमारा पैंट है।
10 मिनट में 10 मिनट में